Welcome back to House of Manners. Today's video, we are going to talk about the transport method that I have discovered for all my pipes, tobacco, and whiskey. Whether I'm going on vacation, maybe to a pipe show or a tasting or to a friend's house, this may be the best combination a person can have. Let's talk about it. Drinking Starbucks coffee. I guess Starbucks coffee is better than no coffee. That's probably debatable. Is that a snail? So recently, a trip to the Milltown Pipe Show made me realize very quickly that I don't have the proper gear in order to transport my pipes, tobacco, and even whiskey. And I really needed to rethink my method of how to be able to get these items safely to, whether it be on a vacation or maybe to a friend's house for a tasting or even a pipe show. How could I find the combination of perfect items to be able to securely, safely transport these goods? And that's what we're going to talk about today. So when I first started smoking a pipe, the first transport method I had for pipes and tobacco was something as simple as a cooler, which is, I know, dumb, but
only language you speak is failure.
It did the job at the time. This is just a small cooler that I could throw a couple of pipes in, some tobacco in, maybe a couple of tampers, and just be able to carry everything in this. Now, this obviously is not a great method. Why? Everything's loose, everything's bouncing around. I mean, you can damage your pipes, it's just not efficient. And so I knew after I got this that I knew shortly that I would have to figure out a different way to do that, which led me to my first purchase of something off Amazon that I thought has done pretty good over the last year. Let me show you that. Now, this was my first big purchase as far as transportation. This is a, fake leather hard case pipe holder, pipe transportation tool, whatever you want to call it, that I got off Amazon. And it's done pretty well. It's not perfect by any means, which has obviously led me to try to seek other options. But for the time being, for the past year, it's done pretty good. It allows me to have a couple of pipes. It allows me to have a tamper or two, some pipe cleaners. This is where a lighter goes. I can stick a pipe holder in here. It can also hold, a tin of tobacco. So not a bad method by any means. It's been pretty good. The biggest problems I have with this is I can only carry one tin or a couple of small pocket jars. The pipes have to be small, and a lot of times they're hard to get in and out of this and scratch up against the zipper. So not a bad method, but still not what I would call perfect. Not something that I think would be a long-term solution to be able to carry multiple pipes, everything I need, and also multiple tobaccos as well. So this led me on a journey to try to find the next best thing, or the perfect thing, which I'm going to show you right now. So I got to be honest, the solution I found actually wasn't even my idea. When I was in Milltown, I was at a station or a table there that was selling leather goods, and the guy working the counter is a guy that goes by Indiana Nate. He has a really cool podcast on Amazon, Spotify, all the stuff, called Pipes, Pours, and Pals. And he and I were talking about a better method of carrying pipes, because there was a few pipe rolls there. And he told me about this idea that I'm going to go over. Let me introduce you to the Burillo Mixologist Travel Kit. Yes, you heard me correctly. I said mixologist. So when a bartender or a mixologist is going to weddings or big high-class functions, they usually will take their mix kit with them, just like a chef would carry their knives with them. This is the perfect solution to carrying your pipes and tobacco. Let me show you. So first of all, this beautiful, wonderful canvas material, thick, hardy, it's very durable. These nice leather looking straps. I don't know if they're real leather or not, probably not, but they feel nice. But watch this. This is where it gets fun. Nice buckles. and then it just unfolds as so. And this inside, look how everything's nice and secure. You've got some nice straps, some Velcro. We're gonna open this up like this. And then we open these tabs like this. And check this out. You've got room for everything you could possibly imagine. You got room for your pipe cleaners. You got room for tobacco. You've got room for a pipe holder, tampers, lighters, you name it, matches, whatever you need. Plenty of spots for pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pipes, maybe even more if you use other spots. This is one of the greatest solutions to a problem. It has an extra zipper here. I don't even know what you could put in there. You could put something in there, but here's the best part. Here's what sold me on this method more than anything. If you look right here, this is where your shaker would normally go. This is perfect for tins and jars. Protected, safe, and secure. You can have this carry everything that you possibly need. And what the beautiful thing is, check it out. It rolls up easily and nice for your travel. Velcro down, looking nice. Simple roll. Everything rolls together very gently, very nice. And next thing you know, you are ready to go to your next pipe show. How cool is that? This is the best solution that I can find to carry all your pipes and pipe tobacco and tools that you need for the pipe show. I mean, you can see how compact that is. I've got several pipes in here, and look, you know, this, I mean, shoulder strap, I mean, what more could you ask for? Convenient. Maybe you want to go over your shoulder, just kind of a little bit added protection. I mean, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go back to Muletown. Let's go to Muletown. I mean, this is the most convenient, compact way that I can carry this many pipes and pipe tobacco in one sitting. It's quite amazing. I love this thing. Absolutely love it. The best part about this, it's like under $100. I think with all the mixology tools, if you were to buy this with all the tools inside, it costs you about $80. I believe without the mixology stuff, it's like around $45. I mean, that's pretty good. I'll put the link below in Amazon. Trust me, they're not a sponsor. I'm not an affiliate market. I don't get anything off of it. I'll just put a link to it below so you'll know where it's at. So now let's talk about how to transport your whiskey. Now, everybody watching, you know that I'm a huge fan of whiskey and spirits, and I love doing tastings. I love taking new bottles to different places, letting people try things. So transportation of multiple bottles is a challenge, if I can be honest with you. For me, for the longest time, I just had a regular old backpack. And guess what? This is not good. They rattle around in here and glasses can get broken. Yes, it does the job, but you want something that's a little nicer, a little more secure, a little more safer for all of your bottles. So I'm going to show you what I just found that I think fits the perfect solution. Let me introduce you to the Aged & Or Travel Caddy. This caddy is made of a high-grade material that is thick and durable, and it carries up to 4 bottles. As you can see, it has this beautiful secure divider. It has a beautiful almost felt material on the inside to protect your bottles. This thing is solid. It comes in a 4, and I believe it also comes in a 6. Now, another great thing about this is the cost. Aged & Or, you can get this right now for about $57, I believe it is, and they usually have like a 10% off when you register and all that good stuff. So convenient, tough material, and what can I say? I mean, you cannot beat something like this to travel with, to put 4 different whiskey bottles in here. They're safe, they're protected, it's easy to carry. I mean, you just can't beat it. So that's all I have for today, guys. I think this is probably the best combination I could probably bring to you for carrying your pipes and your whiskey. I'm off to the Cigar Lounge, gonna enjoy a pipe going to enjoy whiskey today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, while you're here, don't forget that subscribe button. Like, it really helps our channel so much. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.